All right, everybody, what are we looking at today? We're looking at, well, let's take a look at the market first. Even the S&P is down 14, NASDAQ down 20, Russell down 4, Dow down 314, basically unchanged, all basically at all-time highs. Volatility finally upticking ever so slightly, but you know what's not upticking? MSFT, that's right, Mr. Softy. Look at this again, down $8. It was down around $10 or $11 just a moment ago. Good IV rank of 38. Look at this implied volatility rising since early December or late December of last year. All of this year. Why? Well, one factor is, and usually don't get volatility expanding on the way down, is it has earnings January 28th. And I think that volatility expansion is done. What am I basing that on? Well, just my own history of trading. Look at this for a quick moment here. With 38 days to go, February volatility is 30. Everyone else's volatility this month is under 30. And of course, if you go lower or shorter dated, volatility will be a lot higher, with especially volatility closest to earnings going to be the highest. So yes, volatility will expand a little bit here if Microsoft continues to go lower, but I think it's actually done volatility expanding for the short term. Why? Because Microsoft has such a high correlation to the overall market, but it has not participated with the market at all. Look at this, $550, its highs back in October. By the end of the year, it still had not rallied and has continued to go lower all the way down under 470. So I'm going to do my classic omnidirectional 1/2 put ratio spread. Now, full disclosure, I have other long Delta Microsoft positions, so I'm going to go further away from the money and collect less credit here. You can skew it to your own risk tolerance, but I'm going to go wide here. I'm buying the 435 puts. I'm going to go $15 wide. I'm going to sell the 420 puts. I'm going to sell 2 of those. I bought 1 of the 35s, sold 2 of the 420s. I actually did this with the stock only about $3 lower for $1.06 credit on this trade. So I'm already up some decent money. Maybe at this point, it's not time for you to do this, but you know what it is time for you to do? It's time for you to open up a Tasty Trade account so you can go to the follow page. You can just tap on the bats if you want to and just see all the trades that we do. And you'll see this Microsoft trade done at $9.44. Like I said, the stock was only about $3 lower than where it is right now. I did this trade that had a 92% pop for $1.06. Like I explained to you, it is a trade that has earnings looming, and I usually like to avoid earnings. It's a smaller directional trade because I told you I have more Microsoft positions that I put on that have bullish delta. So this is omnidirectional. Why is it omnidirectional? Well, it's omnidirectional because look at this green line. I make money all the way down to 405 or just under 405 with the stock at just under $470, well outside that standard deviation, which is that one little line here. I'm buying the 20-ish delta option. I'm selling the 13-ish delta option, which gives my break even of $15 lower than where my short strike is, 420. How much can I make right here? Well, take a look at this right here. $1,600 if it goes down to 420 at expiration. That's 38 days away. That's why it has such a high probability of profit, 92, 93%. I am getting paid $8 or $9 a day in theta decay. I use a limited amount of buying power in this portfolio margin account. It does have 4 or 5 long deltas in it. Now, if you didn't have the type of deltas that I have in Microsoft, you might want to move it a little bit closer. It would increase your delta ever so slightly. It wouldn't really change your probably a profit that much, but it would move your break even from 405 down to about 410 or so. But you collect more premium on this trade. I'm going to go wider. I like it because of the other deltas that I have in Microsoft at this time. All right, everybody. Like I asked you just a moment ago, please transfer, move, bring your account to Tasty Trade. Take advantage, especially if you're a new account. You can take advantage of a great offer we have. Read the fine print in there, but you can get up to $10,000 just for bringing an account that's around $250,000 to Tasty Trade. Bringing in a small account, your new account, you still get paid that 4% on that money, and you get free trades for around 30 days. Check it out today.